Hello everybody, it is, what is it, May 9th? Yeah, May 9th. And I've got 2 packages of bees today. Now if you've seen any of the previous videos, you've seen me install a nucleus of bees, which is 5 frames. A package of bees is basically just a box of bees with the queen in the little cage. And that's what we have today. Why do you buy packages instead of nukes? Pretty much because they're cheaper. What you'll see here at the top, this is a feeder. It's basically filled with sugar water, and there are, at the bottom, there are little holes poked where the bees can suck the juice out. This is holding the queen in. She's in a little cage on the other end of this thing. So the first thing I'm going to do when I get to the new hive is remove this feeder, take the queen out and put her in the new hive, and then we're going to pour the bees into the hive. At least that's the plan, okay? We've got some pollen patties here to feed the bees inside the hive, and this is filled with sugar water. I'm going to fill their feeder with that. So off we go to drive over to the new hives that we just installed yesterday. And the first thing we're going to do is fill up their feeder with some sugar water. All right, so they got plenty of juice there. We'll put some pollen down in there for them too while I'm at it. Let's put this pollen will go down on the floor. Ooh, still some juice in this. All right, see the bees hanging on under there? They're drinking. I'm gonna put this somewhere where they won't get squished. Put this over here like that. All right. And now, let's see, if you look down in there, you can see all the bees. And now we're gonna take out the queen. All right, so this is the queen cage. She's in there. Bees love to hang out with her. That's why they're all there. So I'm going to shake off those bees so that I can remove the plug that's holding her in. Let your bees go down in there. All right. Now, if you can see, there's a little cork in there. We're going to pull out that cork. Bees. I'm going to pull out the cork on the right side. Okay. There's the cork. The cork there. And now you can see that the queen is in that side. This side has got some candy. It's kind of like marshmallow. And what's going to happen is the bees are going to eat through that marshmallow, through that hole, to let the queen out. It'll happen over the course of a few days. All right, now I think I'm doing it. I got the queen held in place there. And see, the bees are already eating the pollen because they're hungry. And now I'm going to dump these bees in there with any luck at all. Move this out of the way. All right, most of the bees are in there. And so the rest of these bees I'm going to leave under the hive so they can find their way in. And now I'm going to leave them alone. And I believe 0 bees got squished in that process. All right, here comes the queen. There she is. Can't see her, but she's in there. That's why everybody's crowded around her. And we're gonna tap off these bees and take a look in there. Yeah, there's the queen in there. You can see her running around. I'm gonna remove this cork here. Oops. Come on, cork. Get out of there. All right. Cork is out. Which means they can now, over time, get to the queen. See her in there? Inside the cage. And the other bees are all saying hello to her, welcoming her to her new home. I'm going to put her in here with the screen facing out so they can feed her and take care of her while she's still in there. And we're going to press this right into here. Carefully so I don't squash any bees. All right. Curious bee on my hand there. Time to get off. All right, so the queen is in there. Sugar water. You can see they're very hungry, so they're eating the pollen patty that I left in there for them. And now I'm going to make a little bit more room. I'm going to shake the bees into their new home. All right, here we go, bees. Everybody ready? First, there's some dead bees in there. I want to dump those out first. All right. All right, got most of them out. Put this down here. Put their frames back on. I'm gonna get them out of the way. Out of the way so you don't get squished, okay? Very careful. Bees, get out of the way. Everybody out of the way? Get out of the way. Okay. Next one. Everybody out of the way. And the next one. Need to, queen cage is sticking out a little bit too much. Scoot these over. Now let's see if I can get this in there. Past the queen cage, yep. Okay. All the frames are back in. Whoops. Queen default. Queen's in there. They got some food. I think they're good to go. New colony of bees on the far right side. New colony of bees on the far left side. And the bees that are still in the package are going to figure it out. They will decide which side they want to live on, and then they'll move in and everything will be fine.